Guys, be honest for the next few seconds. How many of you have sat with your books open, exams approaching, and assignments incomplete? The point where your brain shuts down. We all know we have to start the study, but we don't know where to start from. We all have done the same. I'm not judging you because I've been there too, and it was awful feeling. Now listen, there are free AI apps that can actually help you, like understanding difficult topics, writing assignments faster, making presentations faster, and summarizing notes without a panic. And even planning your exam preparations. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, I'll be showing you some of the best AI apps that can help a student life to accelerate, and I've tried them too. I have ranked them from useful to extremely powerful ones. And trust me on this, the last app we have is the one that mostly all of the students ignore. But once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever study without it. So be there till the last one. Let's start with the number 5. Most of the students think that marks only depends on the knowledge, but that's not completely true. You can lose a lot of marks due to grammatic mistakes, confusing sentence, and poor structure. Grammarly fixes that. It helps you to correct the grammar, clean up your sentences, and rewrite your answers in a better way. I've seen students using it. Same answer, but in a better way of presentation. And it really worked for them. Let's understand this with an example. Open up Grammarly in your phone and paste a basic assignment paragraph on it. See, Grammarly is showing and highlighting errors. Just accept the suggestions one by one, and that's it. Now the fourth one is really impressive. Think about how many PDFs you have, textbooks, notes, previous year question papers, and research papers, and most of us don't even read them fully. Now here comes the ChatPDF, which allows you to upload your PDFs, ask questions directly to it, and even helps you to summarize all your PDF data. It literally feels like that you're talking to your books, and trust me, it really helps a lot and save hours of your studies. And here's how it works. Open up ChatPDF website and firstly set it up like this. Now after setting it up, upload a textbook PDF. Now ask it to summarize the chapters in simple words. And here's the answer. Show instant answers. Like this. See? It's time for the third app, and this one really gonna help you in a lot of things. Okay, if you hate presentations, listen to this one really carefully. This app is your best friend and really feels like a blessing to you. It can do a lot of things like create PPT using AI, design poster, resume, infographics, turn notes into visuals. It can be a design, a color theme, or an icon. Everything that you think can be possible with this app, and they actually looks cleaner and presentable. Once I had a presentation in the next period and I had only 1 hour, and Canva take the lifting on all itself. It made a 10-slide presentation for me in just 1 hour. I just changed a few things in it and boom, it was ready, and people really think I worked hours on it. What I did was just a matter of few seconds. I've just opened up my Canva app and then typed create a presentation on climate change and entered it. Waited for a few seconds, and here's the result. An AI generated climate change presentation of 10 slides. You can change the themes, some of the basic text, or add up things, elements in it, and it will be a masterpiece. Now it's time for the number 2, and I know you are already using it and most of the students are using it, but they are using it in a wrong way. This one is not just for answering your questions. It can also be used in many of things like understanding complex concepts, break down topics, create study plans, or practice exams. Just ask it any of your questions just like you are 12. You can literally ask it to give you step-by-step answers or some practice papers or even a 7-day schedule or plan how to study a particular topic or for your complete syllabus. ChatGPT is much powerful than you imagine. Just you need to ask better and good questions to it. Now, open up your ChatGPT and give it a prompt to explain Newton's law like I'm 12. See, I'm getting it like I'm a 12-year-old and it's explaining it to me in a manner so that I can understand it better. Let's try one more. Create a 7-day study plan for exams. See, it's here. At number 1, we have the most underrated AI tool for students, and that's Notion AI. Smart students use this app really quietly. This app is not just for studying. This also helps you in being organized, which is also a greater part of your efficiency. You can make pages for every subject, add notes, make links for homework, make templates to make summaries, and use AI to shorten up and summarize your long answers. Track deadlines and plan your revision all under one roof. Students who plan their studies always stay ahead of the others. And this app makes the planning simpler. Let me show you. Here's the Notion AI dashboard. Now, creating subject pages. Now I'm asking it to summarize the writing guideline notes. See, simple workspace. And it's done. So yeah, these were the top 5 best AI apps in today's time for students that are free and really worth it to use. Let me summarize it. Grammarly fixes your writing, ChatPDF helps you to read fast, Canva makes your slides look good, ChatGPT helps you to learn and practice, Notion ties everything together. And here you don't need all of them. You just need 1 or 2 or 3 of them that aligns with your work and makes it smoother. And that's all in this video. If you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, students, so hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries, and what else, to subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I will meet you in the next one.